Hello and welcome to Diya's Funplay. In today's video, let's see what is a lightning conductor. As you see, I have made a simple model to demonstrate the working principle of a lightning conductor. Link for making this model is given in the description box in case if you need it. Lightning is an electrical discharge occurring between two electrically charged clouds or between a cloud and any other object on the Earth's surface. A lightning conductor or a lightning rod is a metal rod mounted on top of any building or a structure to protect the building or the structure from a lightning strike. A lightning conductor assembly has three different parts. First, a lightning rod with spikes. Second, a thick copper wire strip or a cable. And third, a copper ground rod or a plate. Copper is widely used in lightning conductor assemblies as it is highly conductive. The lightning conductor should be mounted on the topmost corner of any building or a structure, and the copper plate should be buried deep into the earth. Now let's see how are lightnings formed. Clouds are made up of many water and ice particles. Air molecules and suspended water ice particles collide and bump with each other as they move around in the clouds. When this happens, positive and negative charges gets knocked off the water and ice particles and are released into the clouds. Positively charged particles accumulate at the top of the clouds and the negatively charged particles concentrate themselves at the bottom of the clouds. As the electrically charged clouds pass over the lightning conductor, the negative charge in the bottom of the clouds attract the positive charge in the lightning conductor spikes and gets neutralized. Without a lightning conductor, the lightning may strike the building and damage it. When a lightning strikes a lightning conductor, the electrical discharge is passed through the copper strip to the copper plate and finally into the earth. Lightning travels at about 270,000 miles per hour. An average lightning flash is about 300 million volts and about 30,000 amps, while a normal household current is only 220 volts and 15 amps. Did you know that a single lightning has enough electrical energy to power a home for more than 2000 years?
Thanks for watching DS Funplay. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more videos. Right up, subscribe right here, right now. Don't forget, press the bell icon. The choice is yours. DS Funplay.